The topic of today's video is how to recover timeline files in DaVinci Resolve. Now, unfortunately, if you haven't set this up before, you're not going to be able to recover anything, but let me show you how to set it up. So the first thing that we want to do is in any project, head over to the DaVinci Resolve button. Now you want to go to User and then Project, Save and Load. Now in here, you'll see Project Backups and you can tick that. And now you can set the times for all your backups. So I'm going to just set a 1-minute backup so that we can load it up really fast and I can show you how to actually recover. So once you're done in here, hit save. And then when you're ready to recover your backup, just head to the Media tab, right click on your timeline and say Restore Timeline Backups. And then you'll see here I have 2 different backups I can restore. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.